Magic is something, it needs two very strong polarities.
Okay.
एक side होता है कि you have to be happy in what you are given. This is what our preconceived notion, this is what our society, this is what our upbringing, this is what the status quo tells you. तुझे दिया है ना, उसमें खुश रहे. ये बहुत strong polarity है. उसके टक्कर में अगर तेरे खुद की जिद का polarity है ना, वो I just don't know, I just want to do it. वो जब polarity, जब friction होता है ना, that's when the sparks of magic they just come out.
So basically what I have noticed is जिनको अपना passion follow करना है या जो लोग बाहर से आते हैं यहाँ पर एक्टर बनने या कुछ, till a time they struggle, but after that if they are not getting the result, वो गलत डायरेक्शन में जाते या वो लोग ड्रग्स लेने लगते, अल्कोहल लेने लगते. दे थिंक दैट इट इज़ अ सोर्स ऑफ लाइक वो उनको वो टेंशन से रिलीफ देगा, escape देगा, और इज दे सुसाइड. लाइक यू टोल्ड देयर वाज अ पॉइंट इन योर लाइफ व्हेन यू डिसाइडेड टू डू इट. सो क्या आपका व्यूज़ क्या है इस पे?
So there is Maya, which is illusion, and there is Leela, which is God's plan. So they both look very similar.
Okay.
See, Maya में क्या होता है ना, Maya में you want to have control. Okay, you want to control the outcome. कि मैंने ऐसा किया तो मुझे ऐसा ही चाहिए, यही होना चाहिए. And to keep, और क्या है ना कि you understand कि हाथ से रेत फिसल रही है. But to keep your ego intact, to keep the, you satisfy the, gratify the needs of your ego, you make stories.
Okay.
And that's when you create Maya. That's when you create those illusions. To keep your ego intact, वो Maya है. But at the same time, when you just give away all the control, okay, and you just believe कि it's God's plan, हो जाएगा सब कुछ सही से. By default, you start seeing things in such a way, as of ये मेरे लिए ही हो रहा है. When you lose control, all of a sudden you feel that everything is happening for you. But when you try to gain that control, when you try to keep control, you feel that like जा रहा है, because that's the illusion that you live in. So when somebody tells you that drugs is an escape, that's the illusion.
Okay.
That is something that looks similar, but it is not same. And that's one reason why I stay away from drugs. I was 17 years of age when I went to Ukraine.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, if you know about Ukraine, it's a Russian country. I was staying in a hostel. Okay. So you can just imagine the kind of hostel life that we guys must have experienced, we guys must have enjoyed. So drugs is basically a distraction. Here's one thing I'll tell you. Be THC, अगर आप marijuana और ये सब की बात करो, so that's THC basically the fundamental thing है. Psychedelics है, LSD है, बहुत सारे types of drugs है. इन ये सब चीज़ें एक अलग-अलग, they activate a different part inside of your body or inside of your mind, I could say. I'm not a expert on this topic, but this is what I've read, what I've known. But here's this thing that I also know, and that is, if there is the best chemical factory on this world, that is your body. Okay, so I'll give a small example. So they say it happiness dose, DOSE, which literally goes as dopamine, oxytocin, serotonin and endorphins. When you smoke a cigarette, you get a kick, थोड़ा अच्छा लगता है. For example, when you check a notification, आपके वीडियोस पे अगर आपको likes आते हैं, तो wow likes आप सुबह उठ के check करते हैं ना कि message आया, notification आया, that shoots dopamine. When you take a sip of alcohol, that gives dopamine, a quick push of motivation.
Okay.
Dopamine. For example, अगर तुम भी कोई अच्छी चीज़ करते हो and your mom gets वो खुशी के आंसू आते हैं, how does that happen? That is because of serotonin. So there is this chemical that your body regenerates within.
Okay.
So DOSE, dopamine, oxytocin, serotonin and endorphins. These are the basics. जिस दिन आप सुबह वर्कआउट करते हो उस दिन आपका दिन कैसे जाता है, और जिस दिन आप सुबह वर्कआउट नहीं करते उस दिन आपका दिन कैसे जाता है. You know the difference, right? Because when you work out first thing in the morning, so this happiness dose, DOSE, your body generates by itself naturally.
Okay.
Okay? So ये जो chemical के bursts हैं ना अपने body में naturally होते हैं, and that is the best way of doing it. Everything that you could ever imagine that a drug could do, your body could do it for yourself 100 times better. 100 times better. Okay. And that is, see, it's more organic that way.
बराबर.
And honestly speaking, they say that suicide is something that a coward does, but honestly speaking, that moment of taking your own life by your own will, you need a lot of guts for that.
Exactly.
A lot of guts for that. So these are two different topics, but they are portrayed in such a way कि people think कि अगर loser है बंदा तो suicide करता है. No, it's not that. I know what is my truth. You know what is your truth. We all know what our own truth is. So the more you buy into somebody else's idea, the more you start sinking.
Okay.
We are just infinitesimal decimal of God.
Achha.
That power we have. But if we are distracted, then just imagine और वो आयरन मैन वाला वो जो लेज़र है ना, वो लेज़र कितना पावरफुल है. अब सब कुछ सेम, उसका इंटेंसिटी वगैरह सब कुछ सेम है, बट उसका मैग्नीट्यूड चेंज कर देगा तो इट कैन हर्ट यू, राइट? So that's how it is. So this drugs and everything, it just changes your magnitude so that you yourself become the biggest distraction, the biggest what you could say, you yourself start destroying you.
Okay.
So that's the reason you should not do. And honestly being, ये सब की ज़रूरत भी नहीं पड़ती, because when you start, that's when I got into meditation, that's when I got into yoga, that's when I got into well-being and understanding your body mechanics. When you start knowing about yourself, when you start learning about yourself, you in yourself are so infinite that you do not need an external unbalanced resource. Trust me.
Okay. Okay. So my last question to you is, what is a piece of advice that you would like to give to an 17, 18-year-old who is confused and he is like, should I choose this field or this field or this field? या मैं कुछ हटके कुछ करूँ या बाप के बिजनेस पे लग जाऊँ या क्या करूँ? So what is a piece of advice that you would like to give?
Okay. So honestly speaking, being confused is a blessing. Okay. So for a seeker, somebody who is on a path of exploring new things, for a seeker, if he concludes something, that's a death for him, isn't it?
Okay, I got it.
So being confused is, in a sense, it's a very good thing. It's a blessing. It's good to be confused. Okay. So what happens when you're confused? You do not take an answer as a judgment. You do not stand by judgments. So being confused is a good thing. But at the same time, just don't get carried away by that confusion. Okay. You come at two polarities कि मैं either say doctor or engineer, मुझे क्या बनना है? So that's a confusion. So don't be hurry of making a decision. Utilize that confusion to explore कि मुझे डॉक्टर या इंजीनियर क्यों बनना है. Ask why. Okay, so maybe you'll find this answer. So this is known as getting to the roots of it. Okay, so if you say doctor क्योंकि शायद मेरे dad बोलते डॉक्टर बनना है, is that the reason? Then definitely you should not be a doctor. What do you think? Okay, engineer. I think मेरे सभी दोस्त engineering कर रहे हैं तो मुझे भी engineering. Is that the reason? That definitely not engineering. What do you want? See, it's a process. That's when you start asking questions. See, on one part it is very productive while making decisions, but on the other part it is also very empowering when you're fighting your fears.
Okay.
For example, stage fear. When I was asking myself, जब stage पे जानते वक्त मुझे डर लग रहा था, when I was asking myself, why am I afraid of that? Have I tried it before? Maybe नहीं, experience नहीं है इसलिए शायद डर लग रहा है. तो experience की तो बात है, exposure ही चाहिए ना, exposure हो जाएगा. और maybe मैंने किसी को देखा है जो stage पे जाके fumble हुआ है, तो मैं शायद उस his fear, maybe my fear. So this thing, asking questions will always help you. Getting to the granular level will always help you. If you're trying to decode something, it will help you explore more. If you're trying to get over something, it will help you empower you. Okay. So if you're confused, confusion is a very good thing. It's a very good place to be for a seeker. If you want to explore things, you must be confused all the time. I am confused all the time. But when the right time comes, I'm just like stay stringent focused also. So that's how it is. Be confused, it's a good thing. That's your time. Go explore what exactly do you want to. Because come on dude, it's 7 billion people on this planet. 7 billion people and all of them have some of their purpose. ऐसे ही कोई एक बंदा ऊपर बैठ के नहीं बता सकता ना कि तू ये कर, तू ये कर, तू ये कर. You have to find out for yourself. So you have to be confused in first place. Because conclusion is death. Confusion is exploration.
Okay.
Yo.
So it was a very wonderful chat.
And I did not expect that we would elongate for such long time. This was so amazing. Maybe it was your energy.
Yeah.
Maybe it was Raj there. That when we come together, when like-minded people come together, some magic happens. And I myself realized, I myself experienced that. I did not plan. It's spontaneous is the best thing. But whatever came out, it's amazing. I'm looking forward to the entire interview.
Yeah. Everything was improvised.
Exactly.
Okay. Thank you so much, man.
It's amazing. It's amazing. Thank you so much for having me on your show. Thank you so much, Raj. Hey friends, I hope you loved this episode of Hangout With. For more such amazing content, do follow Sark Artistic. You will find the subscribe button down there somewhere and do hit on the bell notification icon to not miss out on any such amazing content. Yeah, stay blessed and be unstoppable.